So we got the basketballs. Aubrey has her original one, while I got her new one. It's the men's basketball. How does I can power so farther? Jeez. I could probably power throw this ball across the entire small gym. Well, this is not a part of my nature walk, but I just want to share it because I want to record my fight. We've been out here since 12 o'clock, right? And it's like 1:30, 1:40ish, I don't know. I mean, have to pick up the dang yard. So, yeah. Ah. Little brother always wins. I just kicked it. Yeah, but little brother always wins. Breathe.
Bro, I am breathing. I'm not breathing as hard as you
It's gonna go up the driveway and back multiple times. So you guys want to see me walk this whole driveway? Well, time to find out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go. Yep. I just skipped everything in the back there. Took like a solid 2 minutes. I mean, like, would you guys want to see me go back? Well, 1, 2, 3. What? Okay, wrong spot. Okay, let's go all the way over there. Let's get some photos of me jumping. Some footage of me jumping. Obs! Should I power throw it? Should I power throw it? Cray. Okay. Since I don't have the basketball, Yeah, so I just walked through a portal. I walked from there into that portal to here. How did I do that? A dang portal gun. No, you guys won't believe that. Yeah, I just. Ow. And that hurt. Yeah. I want to go to the lake, but a pesky old grandma would say no.
Don't put that in there.
I'm not gonna freaking. JK, I won't say that about her. Watch that power throw it now. It wasn't even that far. I barely even tried. Kick it, you won't.
No.
Why? Yeah. Alright, bye guys.